Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. Absolutely no idea what's in this package. It was sent by Tony. Thanks so much, Tony. We're going to find out together. If it's something that I can share with you guys or link, there will be links right down in the description, at the very top of the description. So you can check that if you want. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down below. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay. So I think it's just going to cut right into there, because it looks like we got a box on the inside to get into. Let me make sure there's nothing that I need to want to share any personal information. So we'll just cut across these areas right here and right here. And we have definitely something in there. Hang on. Oh, it looks like a, yeah, we got a Spyderco here. Now I'm hoping, hang on. Yes, there is a note. Thank you. Most important part. Oh, cool, yeah. So this is a weird one. I saw this on Blade HQ and I was like, what the heck? Feel free to use/carry this knife in any way you wish. It's a brand new purchase from Blade HQ. Thanks for what you do and helping me spend my money. No problem. I think you can get this right now. I'm like 99% sure that you can get this. This is the Blade HQ exclusive. Oh my gosh. Poliwog? Look at this. Oh, it's pretty smooth. M4. It has the Spyderco ball bearing lock thing. It's actually here. Oh, it won't drop. It feels so smooth on the way up. It actually, this is weird. It feels less. That's because the ball is riding on the tang, right? That's wild. Really strong lock. The lock is very, very strong. So this is one of those knives that I'm going to tell you right now. It does fit your hand just about perfectly, but it's annoying in that it has these, you know, this is where you put this finger, this is where you put this finger, like you just have to, you know, the Boker Kalashnikov has the same problem, and a number of other knives. But, you know, okay, it's just, there might be a different way that you want to hold it. This is just kind of a unique, interesting, weird little Spyderco, and Spyderco has a bunch of these weird, interesting, sort of unique. It's cool that this is M4, and this is a Seki City, Japan model designed by Eric Lesser. Now, was this around for a while and then they brought it back? Like, was it around like a long time ago and then they brought it back? Or is this a new? I have no idea. I honestly don't know. I just remember seeing it going, that's weird. It looks like a baby Triceratops without any horns. That's what it makes me think of. So yeah, that's real weird. It's deceptively, like, when I pull down on this, there's something, maybe I'm touching the tang or whatever. And then I can feel that ball rolling on the tank, which is fine. But on the way up, it feels real smooth. In fact, you can... That was the weirdest feeling. Reverse flick. Your index finger is going to get in the way. Oh my God. Not fun to do the reverse flick on this. You can kind of flick it out. Not that you need to, right? Just, that's what people want to know. Can you reverse flick it? Kind of. And then I'm sure you can, you know, absolutely Spidey drop it. Not the most fidget-friendly Spyderco I've ever seen, but certainly a weird one. The other thing is that's a weird thing to carry in your pocket. Think about this. Boy, that's just bizarre. Wow. Yeah, that's a weird one. You know, it's been a bit since I've had a weird Spyderco on the channel, so I'm excited to review this. If you're new to my channel, this is not a review. This is an unboxing and first impressions. I don't review things the moment that I unbox them. I'll spend a little bit of time with this guy, and you guys will get a full video 2 to 3 weeks down the road. Not because that's how long it takes to review an item. It's because I review, you know, I upload 2 videos a day, and everything is backed up and scheduled, so it just takes that long to kind of go through the circulation. And then the owner will get this back. But this is cool. It's different. Hey, who knows? Maybe there's something else to this. Can you front flip it? Ouch. Hang on. Not really. If they had put some jimping right here, maybe, but it's just, man, this is weird. Okay. Well, anyways, thanks so much, Tony, for letting me take a look at this. It's pretty much, I expected it to be weird. So, yeah, that's cool. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.